Hi angels, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time that you've ever clicked on my videos, then hello, welcome. My name's Tara. I do makeup tutorials and things like that here on my channel, so if that's something that tickles your fancy and you feel like sticking around, then please by all means hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, it's completely free, and join the family. So also I want to say a massive hello to all my subscribers. I love each and every single one of you, and you're just making my dreams come true, and I will get very emotional if I carry on, but I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, for following me, for watching my videos. It means the absolute world. So with all that being said, without me getting really emotional and the sun's come out again to sabotage me, so in today's video guys, I've decided I wanted to do something bright and colourful, but I didn't want to necessarily do a rainbow because I've done quite a few of those here on my channel, and I just thought that I would do this nice, like it's like purple and turquoise, and it's just giving me like Caribbean vibes. So I've got a cup of coffee and I really don't know what I'm going to be filming for you guys today. Hello, welcome back, and I hope you're having a fabulous week and enjoying the sunshine. So I just thought I would sit down and do a transformation video. So this is what we're working with. I want to do like Instagram baddie or something like that. So to start off with, as normal, I'm going to jump in with my moisture balm because my face needs a bit of moisture right now. I'm actually virtually out of this stuff. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh my god guys, I need to share this with you. I am absolutely in love with these chocolate bars at the minute, the Hershey bars. Oh my god, cookies and cream. If you haven't tried them, they're amazing. I really don't know what I'm going to do. So anyway, as normal, I'm going to use my Christian Breton eye cream and think about what kind of look I want to do. And if you guys haven't seen my updated Broke Girl skincare routine, I will link that up above or down below, whichever I remember to do it on. I've just literally finished work and this video will be going up tomorrow, which is Friday. There won't be a video up on Monday because I'm working a double shift, a 14-hour shift at work. So I'm off on Tuesday, so I will be filming and popping up a video on Tuesday. On the Minnie Mouse headband because it's cute and I like it and I love it. Yeah. For eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I'm going in with the Arch Precisely Brow Arch Pencil, and this is in black. And I'm just going to quickly do my brows because it's the most boring part. I'm going to put my PS brow gel through that. I know, I need a new one guys. But to carve them out, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in Porcelain, which is 320. Use the Fit Me powder, the loose powder. I'm running low on this, and I'm just going to use that and just set the eyes. I never set the P. Louise base, but if I'm using concealer, I tend to set the concealer with a powder. I just find that the eyeshadows work a lot better if the concealer's set. So the palette I'm going to be using is my Rachel Leary palette from Revolution. I absolutely love this palette. So I'm just going to put some tape down because I want that elongated look. Using a Zoeva 227 Soft Definer brush. The first shade I'm gonna go into is this lovely pink colour, and it's called Baby Girl. And I'll pop that on the outer corner. So I'm going to bring you guys a little bit more closer so you can see what I'm doing. Pop that on the outer corner very firmly, just really tickling that outer corner with this pink. I'm going to try and not get any onto the lid. I just want to keep this on the outer part of the eye. And then bring it into the crease. Now I'm going to go into the shade I'm now going to go in the shade next to it, and it's called Fine Wine, and I'm going to still keep using that same brush, and I'm literally just going to go over the top of the first shade that we've popped down and really pack that on. Go into this purpley pink shade, and it's called Kisses, and I'm just going to do the exact same again and go onto the top and just blend that in using the same brush. I'm now just going to take a clean buffer brush, and I'm just going to go over the lines at the top just to make sure that everything looks seamless and there's no harsh lines. So it's literally a clean brush, no product at all. Using the same concealer as before, which is the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer, I'm just going to cut the crease a little bit at the front, just to have a base down for the next colour. Since I bought this palette, this shade I've really been dying to use, so I'm going to be using this shade today, and I'm of course talking about that beautiful turquoise blue, and it's called Paradise, and I'm just going to pop that on with this little concealer brush just over where I put the concealer. The Zoeva 227 brush and just blend those so they blend together. And these colours, like, they blend so well and they work so well with each other as well. I'm buzzing for this palette. I really love it. I really do love this palette. It's this shade which is called Ultimate Goddess, which is a bright gold shade, and if you see my review on this palette, you'll know my reaction to that colour. So yeah, so I'm just gonna pop a bit of that into tear ducts and just bring a little bit of that into the blue. Oh yes. So I'm going to attempt to do a winged liner, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Ink liner in matte, and this is obviously in black. Today I'm going to be using the lashes from eBay, and I'm just going to pop them on off camera because I need to concentrate on that bit. So that's lashes on, I absolutely love these lashes. They were £3.99 for about 10 pairs of lashes, and not gonna lie, they're my best lashes that I've actually bought. So I'm gonna go straight onto the face now, guys. So for primer, I'm gonna prime with the Collection Prime and Ready Reviving and Anti-Fatigue Illuminating Primer. And this is from Collection 2000. And when I say some, I mean a lot. For foundation, I'm going to go in with my favourite, which is the Ordinary Foundation, and I've got mine in the shade 1.2p. And I'm going to use a beauty sponge and just blend that all in. I'm going to go back in with the L'Oreal one that we used before. I'm going to highlight the T-zone and under the eyes. So this light really highlights the face and it just makes it more lighter and brighter, and it just looks amazing. So I'm just going to blend that all in. Before I set that all down, I want to use the Revolution Liquid Highlighter Drops, and these are in Liquid Eternal, and I'm just going to pop that on the high points of my cheek, down the bridge of my nose. The pet on this is broken. So for under my eyes and everywhere I put concealer, I'm going to set that with the powder from Primark. As you know, this is one of my favourite loose powders at the moment. For my Fit Me pressed powder in 1.5, and this is Natural Ivory. And I'm just going to pounce that over. So I'm not doing any swirling motions, I'm just literally dabbing my face with the powder just to set my face. So this is my first ever piece of makeup from Kiko and I absolutely love it. It's the Ocean Feel bronzer and I've got mine in 01 Warm Honey, and I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics #2 brush, which is a bronzer brush. And I'm just going to bronze up the face. I'm in love with this bronzer. I absolutely love it. It just gives you that beautiful soft bronze glow. For blush, I'm going to be using the Annabelle Minerals blush in Romantic, and this is a loose blush. Just going to use a little bit of the setting spray just to set that all down so I can put some highlighter on. I'm absolutely loving the eye makeup today, guys. I think your girl did good, I think. Hope you like it. So for highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Lottie London in collaboration with Imagination Imaging, and it's the Ultra Glow, and I've got mine in the shade Pure. And I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Big Fluffy Brush, and it's the #5 brush. And I just take a little bit in the lid and just swirl it around and tap off the extra. And highlight. Oh, I absolutely love this highlight. I haven't used it for a while. Do you know when you go onto something new and then you go and you draw it and you're like, oh, I remember you. I remember liking you. Why haven't I used you until now? Absolutely stunning. I mean the highlighter. Don't want to be big-headed. So going back to the Rachel Leary palette, I'm going to go and do the under eye. And I'm going to be taking my Zoeva 230 pencil brush. And I'm first going to go into the Baby Girl colour, the Baby Girl shade, and pop that under the outer corner of the eye. And just dragging it in a little bit of the way. Then I'm going to go into the shade next to it, which is called Fine Wine. And pop that close to that shade as well. And then I'm going to go into the shade Paradise, which is that beautiful turquoise blue, and pop that on the inner corner. And blending it into those two other shades that we've already put down. And then finally, I'm going to go into the Ultimate Goddess shade, which is that beautiful gold highlight shade, and pop that on top of where we just put the turquoise blue. For mascara on the under eye, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Boom Lash Mascara. I'm just going to pop a bit of mascara under the lower lashes. I'm really happy about this look, guys. It's really turned out really well. Do you know when you sit down and you don't know what exactly you're going to be doing, and then you turn that into a good look? That's how I feel right now. So the last thing to do is lips. I'm going to keep it basic because the eyes are literally the statement of today's look. So I'm just going to keep it nude. So as normal, I'm going to go in with my Natural Collections lip liner in Cinnamon and pop that on the lips. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Girlfriend. And then I'm just going to go in with a lip gloss. This is the number 7 Lip Luster lip gloss. And I'm just going to pop a little bit of that in the centre. So this is the end of the video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Helps your girl out a lot, helps out the channel, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Stay beautiful and I love you always. Bye, guys.